Good afternoon over here at Weir's Buick GMC, Route 1 in Arundel, Maine. Just wanted to do a quick walk around video of this 2019 Ford F-250 STX four-wheel drive that we have here on the lot. It is still available. It's got a little over 15,000 miles on it. It's finished in this very nice dark blue metallic. Take a look at the interior here. So you can see you got your light gray cloth seating. Driver door panel here, you got your power windows, mirrors, and locks. Just got your seat controls right there. Step on inside here to the left of the wheel, you got your lighting controls. Got some functionality on the wheel as well. Got your cruise controls, you also got your controls for that center screen there. Got some adjustments for your audio system as well as your hands-free phone. Got your gauges here, 15,873 miles on this F-250. Got your column shifter with your manual and tow haul modes. Four-wheel drive selector, trailer brake. Got your infotainment screen here as well as your backup camera and surround view camera. Audio system controls, your climate controls. A couple of different plugins for various devices right down there. You got your 6 upfitter switches. Take a look at the back seat here. You can see tons of legroom for your passengers back here. And you have your power sliding rear window. And your bed. And towing hitch. If you have any further questions on this truck, don't hesitate to give us a call. Direct line in is 207-496-1760. Thanks for looking and have a great day.